Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is episode number 21 of our LeetCode series, and today we are solving LeetCode problem number 9, which is palindrome number. This is a very easy maths based problem, so let's solve step by step in CPP. First, let's read this question. What does question try to tell us is, given an integer x, return true if x is an palindrome and false otherwise. Okay. If you hover on palindrome, it tells an integer is an palindrome when it reads the same forward and backward. Okay. Let's see the example number 1 for better clarity. In input x is equals to 121 means 1 to 1. The output is true because it is in palindrome. Now what does palindrome mean? The explanation given over here is 1 to 1 read as 1 to 1 from left to right, and also 1 to 1 from right to left. Means if you read from left hand side to right hand side, it is 1 to 1 only, and if you read right hand side to left hand side, it is also 1 to 1. But in the case of minus 1 to 1, as you can see example number 2, it is false, because from left it is minus 1 to 1 and from right it becomes 1 to 1 minus, therefore it is not an palindrome. Now as you can see example number 3, the x is given 10, it is false because if you read from right to left it becomes 0 1, therefore it is not an palindrome. Palindrome means if it should be equal, whether you read from left hand side or you read from right hand side. So yeah, let's first see what logic we are going to use over here is, we reverse the number digit by digit, then compare it with the original number. If original number gets equal to this, the reverse number, then it is an palindrome, otherwise it is not an palindrome. So for that we are going to write the basic if condition. If our x is less than 0, sorry, less than 0, then we need to return false because it will not be a palindrome in any case. So this is our main condition. Now we are going to make an new integer named as int original number, means which will be equals to the x, the given number. And now we are going to make a new integer named as, let's keep the name as reverse. For that we are making a long reverse with initial value of 0. Yeah, now we are going to run while loop, and in while loop we are going to check if x is greater than 0. If x is greater than 0, then we need to divide it by 10, so that I'm storing it in the new integer named as digit. So yeah, x divide by 10 and storing in a new device. And also we are going to create a new store it in a reverse. Yeah, we are going to store that in a reverse into 10 divide by sorry, not divide by, plus the digit. So this is the logic, and at last x will be equals to x divided by 10, so that the number gets divided by 10 and the new digit comes. And after that, by returning this, we are going to return original equals to reverse. Yeah, sorry, semicolon. Let's check if our logic is correct or not. As you can see, our 3 of the cases has been accepted, so our logic is correct. So what we have done is we have created an integer name as original, which we have equal it to the given integer x, and created a new integer, the name as reverse, with initial value of 0. In that, what we are doing is we are dividing it by 10 and then storing it storing it in the new integer created as digit. And then we are incrementing the changing the value of reverse by doing multiplying it by 10 and adding the digit which we got by from over here. And after that we are changing the value of the original digit, the integer x, by dividing it by 10, so that it gets continue the for loop. And after completing the for loop, we are checking if our original is equals to the reverse string which we got by running this while loop. So if this condition gets true, then then it is in palindrome, otherwise it is not in palindrome. So this was the simple logic. Let's submit the code. Yeah, as you can see, our code has been successfully submitted. So yeah, that's it for today's problem. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe and comment which problem should I solve next, and also don't forget to share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the episode number 22. Till then, take care. Bye bye.